Lesson 41. The present simple. An example of present simple with to give. I gave. You give. He, she, it gives. We give. You give. They give. Did you notice anything? The spelling of the third person singular for most verbs add s to the infinitive form. Let's take a look at the example below. Meet, meets. Sit, sits. Stand, stands. Speak, speaks. She speaks aloud. Alright, for verbs ending in a consonant plus y, change the y into I and add es. Example. Try, tries. Envy, envies. Reply, replies. Fly, flies. This bird flies in all directions. However, when a verb ends in a vowel plus y, just add s. Look at the example. Enjoy becomes enjoys. Play, plays. Layla enjoys eating banana. For verbs ending in s, z, ch, sh, or x, add es to the infinitive. Miss, misses. Buzz, buzzes. Watch, watches. Push, pushes. Fix, fixes. Relax, relaxes. Some verbs are considered exceptions because they are completely different. Have becomes has. Go becomes goes. And do becomes does. And don't be surprised, they are auxiliary verbs. Now let's move to the main purpose of the lesson, which is to know when to use the present simple. We use the present simple to talk about things we do regularly. I recommend you to use time expressions. He always gets up at 6 o'clock. He usually sleeps at 10 p.m. My brothers play football once a week. We use the present simple for facts that are always true. Water boils at 100 degrees. Côte d'Ivoire is a francophone country. Abidjan is a city in Côte d'Ivoire. Okay, when it comes to timetables or fixed arrangements, we use the present simple. We have class at 9. The competition starts on May the 2nd. The new supermarket opens tomorrow at 10. Have you ever had a feeling for somebody? To express one's feeling, we use the present simple. Example, I love my brothers a lot. My mother hates thieves. Some people prefer fish to meat. The lesson ends with this point. To give instructions or directions, use the present simple. Take a look at the following examples. Protect the tablet from humidity. Drink this medicine for your own good. Hopefully you enjoyed the lesson. Thanks for watching. Bye.